Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Performance Management Studio in AIZOPlan to define, track, and manage key results, measurable indicators that help you monitor performance and benefits realization across your project. To get started, go to your project office, then click the Performance Management Studio. Click Add to create a new key result, and select the project you want to assign it to. You can also use AIZO, the AI assistant, to generate smart suggestions tailored to your project context. Now, complete the key result form with the following fields. Title, a clear, specific name for the key result. Action, a strategic verb like increase, optimize, reduce. When, time frame for completion. Frequency, how often progress is tracked, monthly, quarterly. Reason, the strategic driver behind the key result. KPI type, choose between percentage or absolute value. Define the current baseline and the target. Once completed, click Save. You can repeat this process to define multiple key results for the same project. Once your key results are in place, you can begin tracking performance. Choose the project you want to monitor. Find the key result you want to review. Each key result includes a real-time indicator as results scored from 0 to 1, based on actual performance. You'll also see a graphical view showing how performance evolves over time. To update progress, click Add KPI, input the latest result, and save. The chart updates automatically and recalculates the score. In conclusion, the Performance Management Studio helps you define meaningful, measurable key results, and track them with real-time insights throughout your project lifecycle. Thanks for watching.